Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys brightness setting realme phone guys. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you enable your automatic brightness. And so you want to enable guys your auto brightness, so friends how can you enable it in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting to enable your auto brightness mode. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys this type of settings. So friends you can see your brightness display and brightness setting. Tap here guys, you can see auto brightness. So friends you want to enable, so guys, how can you enable guys? You can enable from this right side. So you can see guys after enable guys brightness decrease automatic, because guys I am in room and guys I have this ring light. So because of guys ring light guys my brightness increase automatic, but guys when I will go outside and guys, when I will come inside in a room, then my brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So like that guys you can enable your auto brightness and guys you can use in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.